In this video we will show the application of the shuttle mode to control the speed of G-code execution on ISO USB box motion controller by using an incremental encoder. The shuttle function is performed autonomously by all Audium's Automatica motion controllers. The encoder is connected to the connector marked as CON16 on the motion controller. The A and B outputs on the encoders are connected to the input 1 and 2. Ground and 5-volt power supply are also available on this connector. So let's put connector from the encoder previously prepared. The test system is shown in this photo. First, it is necessary to configure the MPG input. In the config ports and pins dialog in encoder and MPG tab, we will set the A and B signal for MPG1 are connected to input 1 and 2 of the motion controller. For our motion controllers, the port number is always 1. Then, in plugin control, in analog input and encoder tab, you need to map encoder 1 and assign MPG1 to it. It is also possible to set the multiplication of the encoder resolution. And finally, in a config, general config menu, adjust the shuttle acceleration parameter. After connecting and setting up, we can check if the encoder position reading works. By selecting plugin control, USB motion control status will open the motion controller status dialog. If everything is set correctly, turning the encoder changes the value in the encoder 1 field. You can also see the state change on input 1 and 2. We currently have a situation where G-code is being executed. By pressing the tab button on the computer keyboard, we'll open the MPG mode dialog where you can activate or deactivate the shuttle mode. After activating the shuttle mode, the execution of the G-code is stopped. It is now possible to execute the G-code via the encoder. The execution speed of the G-code depends on the speed of rotation of the encoder. By deactivating shuttle mode, the G-code continues to execute as expected. Let's look again. Activating shuttle mode, and deactivating shuttle mode. Thank you for watching my video.